Hey guys, it's Mr. Burns here, coming at you from A110 once again. I'm going to talk today about the DBQ essay, and we're going to focus on the rubric and on the introduction paragraph. Okay, so this is your shared document on Google Classroom where you will write your essay. And once you write your essay, these things right here at the top should all be finished at this point before you start writing your essay, including your outline, which is mandatory. And the outline is the last drop down on DBQ Online. It says from thesis to essay writing. Okay, that's going to be your outline. Okay, going back to the DBQ. There's the task. Okay, remember you're picking 1,000 settlers to go to the lunar colony, and you want to pick a nice mix of the 3 different types of citizens. And this is also in your background essay question. Now, I'm going to talk, when we get to the body paragraphs, I'm going to talk about how to document and how to cite your source. But that's also included right here. And this is this right here is one more reminder of how to organize your essay. Okay? Intro, 3 body, conclusion. It is a 5-paragraph essay. Not every essay is 5 paragraphs, but this one is. All right, grading rubric. So this is also shared with you on Google Classroom. The document questions and the background essay questions will accumulate to about 16 points, and here's how you're assessed there. Okay, and then your essay, I'm looking for 5 different things. I'm looking for expository writing. I'm looking for your outline to be complete. I'm looking for document citation, accuracy of content, and conclusion with supporting details and supporting your opinion on each of the number of citizens that you are bringing, rationale, explaining why. Okay, those are the things I'm looking for in your essay, which really is comprehensive. Okay, so let's go to the DBQ Online. Let's talk about the introduction. And for the unit title, I just wrote the guiding question there. And when you write, there's 4 different boxes here, okay, that we're going to talk about for the introduction, the very good introduction. 5 or 6 sentences should be sufficient. The grabber, this is where this is a hook, okay? So this is where you're going to hook the reader. You could do this by asking a question, making a statement. But one thing you definitely want to do in your grabber or in your hook, 1 to 2 sentences here, is you want to introduce the task. So the lunar colony and what your job is as a citizen. You've been selected to choose 1,000 people to bring to the moon. You want to do something in that realm. You want to make it kind of creative, but straightforward, get to the point. All right, background. So background, this is where you're going to use you're going to use information from the background essay and background essay questions. And this part might be, 2, maybe 3 sentences. And then whenever you're using information from the background essay, so when sourcing the background essay, use BE at the end of the sentence. And you might use this once or twice in this opening paragraph. Okay? Restating the question with key terms defined. So this is going to be from the pre-bucketing in your packet. Answer to question number 3. We did this together. Okay? Whoops. So we did this part together in class from the pre-bucketing. You're literally going to write that 1 sentence down here, restating the question with key terms defined. Right? And then your thesis and roadmap is also from the packet. This is from the bucketing and roadmap, and I guess it's the thesis and roadmap page in your packet. I think it's on the back. Right? You will state how many of the 1,000 settlers will be each of the 3 types. And that's going to get in 1 sentence. So of the 1,000 settlers that are going to the lunar colony, I will bring X amount of personally responsible, Y amount of participatory, and Z amount of justice-oriented. And remember, we talked about the most should be personally responsible, some participatory, and a few justice-oriented. Okay? If you have any questions about writing this introduction paragraph in class, you can ask me or watch this video. Thank you.